A manually operated material lift with literally thousands of applications. The Genie Lift has 3 base models and many accessories to create the right Genie lift for every load.
Thanks for your interest in the Genie Lift. Right now, we're going to show you how to unpack it and how to set it up. You all ready to go?
I sure am.
Okay. Now, do we need any kind of special tools or anything?
Only a utility knife and a set of tin snips.
We got those on the bench.
Yes.
All right.
We'd use the utility knife to slice away the shrink wrap. That's really time consuming, so we've already done it, and we'll just simply lift it off.
It was kind of boring. Trust me, you did want to see it. Inside the shrink wrap, you'll find first of all this plastic packet. And inside the packet, 4 fork retaining pins and the operator's manual. Now this video is not intended to take the place of the Genie Lift operator's manual, because the operator's manual has the instructions and the safety rules for the proper use of the Genie Lift. Make sure you read it first, then keep it handy as a reference. Okay, all set.
Next, we'd use the tin snips to cut the metal banding material holding the leg box to the Genie frame.
Okay, I'll shield my eyes here. And we'll set this aside.
Next, we'll install the forks. We should mention that the forks come in a separate box. This makes the Genie Lift a 2-piece shipment. One for you.
Okay.
And one for me.
Okay, and a couple of pins.
To mount the forks, simply slip them over the fork mounting tubes. Put the pin in and rotate the ring so that it locks. Next, we'll install the front legs.
There you go.
Simply take the leg and insert it into the base socket. Pull the locking pin on the back side and let the leg lock into place.
Great.
Now we're ready to stand it up.
Okay.
It's ready to go.
Great. Now, for safety's sake, make sure when you use the Genie Lift to lift materials, you only do it as described in the operator's manual.
Safety is our #1 priority.
With that in mind, let's learn how to raise and lower a load.
Okay.
Okay.
We'll take our practice load and put it on the forks. We want to be sure to center it on the forks. Next, we want to remove the tension on the cable. Take the handle and turn it around. Now rotate it counterclockwise. This will release the tension on the cable so that we can unfasten the carriage hold-down bar. That's designed to keep the carriage in place when the unit's being transported. Now, to raise a load, simply rotate the handle clockwise. Notice the cable winds evenly on the winch drum. To lower our load, simply rotate the handle counterclockwise. When you reach the desired height, simply rotate the handle again clockwise 1/4 of a turn to set the brake in the winch. It's simple.
That's great. All right. Now, we do have a couple of models and load handling attachments and options to talk about, right?
You bet. There's one installed on this Genie Lift.
Okay.
This Genie Lift is equipped with wheel brakes. To engage them, simply push the foot pedal.
Now, these two models look like they're different heights than the one we just set up.
Correct. The Genie Lift family comes in 4 model height ranges: 4, 8, 10, and 12.
And I see 3 major differences. We've got wider legs in this one, loading platform, and a ladder in the back.
Yes, this is a straddle base option. It has 3-position legs for adjustability and accommodating bulky objects or small pallets. The steel load platform helps us accommodate odd-shaped loads that might not otherwise fit on the forks. Finally, the ladder assists the operator in taking on loads or taking off loads from the fork assembly.
Now this one has got some really short legs in the front and some pretty heavy weights back here in the back.
Yes, this is the counterweight base. It has very heavy steel counterweights in the back so that it can have short front legs. This helps us get near objects.
You want to install the boom?
This is the load boom option. It turns your Genie lift into a vertical crane or hoist. To install it, simply place it between the fork tubes and rotate it down. Your Genie lift is now a vertical crane. It can be used with or without the forks being attached.
All right, thanks. So as long as you follow the simple safety rules and instructions in the operator's manual, your Genie lift should give you years of trouble-free operation. Thanks a lot, and thanks for watching.
Since 1966, Genie Industries has designed and built the most successful and popular lifting equipment in the world. We introduced the concept of lightweight portable lifting equipment, and today our lifts set the standard for innovation and flexibility. If you're looking for quality and value backed by a worldwide service and sales network, the choice is simple. Genie. Worth more, does more, lasts longer.